Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is the 7th of June. So I'd like us to start with the chart on my screen. We have GBP USD. The indicator I'm having, this is the normal moving average. The first one, the line you're seeing here, this is the normal moving average. And the other line, this is the custom indicator. I will remove it. So we have here, we have a very good support. We had a support in the past somewhere there. We had a support somewhere there. And then we had a support. Currently the price is approaching the same place. So this here is going to be a good place to consider looking for a buy from. If the price can come down until the line we have at the bottom, then that's going to be a good place to look for a buy from. So we are only buying if the price touches that level but does not clearly break below it, then we'll look for a buy position. But if the price touches that level and breaks below it, then we see a sell signal, then that will be another good place to look for a sell from. But as it is right now, we are looking for strictly buy positions, especially if the price comes back and touches this point here. We also have a trend line at the top like this. So this serves as a contracting wedge formation. We had a resistance here, we had a resistance there, we had a resistance. So if the price is to go down and touch this level but does not break below it, then this is going to give us a good place to look for a buy from. So technically this is a good place to buy from, and this here is a very good place to look for a sell from. So you either wait and buy it there or wait and sell it when the price gets to that point there. The next symbol which we want to look at, I want us to look at gold. So on gold, so far we also have a shape forming. We have this line at the bottom, and then you have another at the top. So this is like a resistance. We have a resistance there, we have a resistance. On the lower side we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support there. So as it is right now, as we are speaking now, we are actually looking forward for the price to continue to the upper side after bouncing off from the line we have at the bottom, which is this one here. So this is a good place we want to look for a buy from. You may want to buy it now. Expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to this level here. This is a good level. So expect the buyers to push price up to this point, or if the price breaks above this level, then expect it to continue even higher, at least up to the next level, which is this one here. So if the price goes up and touches this point, this is going to be a good place to look for, as a temporary sell from back to this trend line here. But if the price breaks above these two lines, then that will be a good place to continue looking for more buy positions. We are expecting the buyers to push us up at least up to this line there. So the next instrument is Euro USD. So Euro USD, so far as we're speaking now, this is a very good downtrend. You can see that we have a very good bearish trend from this point here. So let us take this as the swing high, this high there, and then we take this here as the swing low. So you can see we had a swing high, we have a swing low. So far we've not seen even 23 point, the price has not even retraced up to 23% of the entire move. So if the price is indeed to continue upwards, then we expect it to break beyond this 50 here. And if we leave that, maybe we now say that we are focusing on the current month's highest high and the current month's lowest low, then you can see that we've only pulled back up to 38.2% fib level. We expect that the price may pull back up to 50 70.0% fib level where we'll be looking for a sell from. But as it is now, I don't recommend any sell positions. So I recommend sell position. I don't recommend a buy order. If the price comes back and touches this point, then this will be a good place to sell from, around 38.2% fib level or 50.0% fib level. These are the places where if the price can come back up to, then we'll be looking for a sell from. We either sell it there or wait and sell it some if the price gets to this point here. So we have a level here. We have a very good level there. We have a support. It's also the same place where we have 38.2% fib level. If the price does not clearly ascend and close above this point, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So we want to pick a sell here. We want to have our stop loss above 61.8% fib level or 70.0% fib level. Our take profit is 23.6% or 0.0% fib level. Those are the places where we expect the price to sell off up to this point or up to this point here. And the next instrument is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is strictly bullish. We took a buy. You can see that we had a buy here. So we had a very good resistance level somewhere here. We have a resistance there, a break above, a break below. We have a resistance, there was a break above it. So as we're speaking right now, we expect the buyers to continue to push price to the upside. We are not looking for a sell on this chart anytime soon. You can see that the price is clearly a very good buy. After the break above this point, we are now strictly buyers. So keep looking for buy orders. Expect the buyers to push us up, at least up to this resistance level here. This is the ultimate place where we expect the price to go up to this. So the level itself is 147.026 or 146.057. The next instrument is the Brent oil. The Brent oil, so far we are also seeing a momentum to the upper side. We are seeing chances that the buyers may push price upwards, may continue to push us even higher. So we have a resistance, If the price goes up and breaks above these two lines, this is 126.110 or 126.848, then that is going to be a good place to continue to look for a buy from. So entirely this is a good buy. We are still in an active uptrend. We expect a sell-off from this point, where if the price breaks above it, then the next place we want to sell it from is the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So basically, we do expect a sell from this point here, or we expect a sell when the price gets to this point here. Now the next instrument is the SP500. So this should be bullish. This is the first time we've seen a major retracement after this retracement when coronavirus started. So we had a very good pullback here. This was during the coronavirus, and now we have another one here. So technically this is much bigger than this one. We expect the buyers to be in complete control as it is now. We are actually looking forward for a buy if the price can break above this point, or you may still buy it here. You may take a risky buy here, have your stop loss below the lowest low. We've seen this here. Our first take profit is this one. The next take profit is this one here. So if you buy it somewhere there, expect the price to continue up to this point. The next target is this one here, where if the price breaks above, then we expect it to extend even higher. So as it is right now on the SP500, we are strictly buyers. We are looking for more buy positions up to the targets which I've mentioned. The first one is this one. This is 4551.8. Then the next one is 4820.3. If the price breaks above any of these levels, then that will be a sign that now we are continuing in that direction. So thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.